Here is a look at all the accessories that come with the hand truck. Feel free to pause and check them out. Now we put the toe plate into the hand truck frame and line up the holes. Take a pair of wheel brackets and 4 hex head bolts, place the brackets over the aligned holes. Then install the bolts and nuts one by one. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Just make sure the brackets are oriented with the inner curve facing upward, toward the top of the frame. Next, we take the axle, cotter pins, wheels, and flat washers, and install them step by step as shown in the video. Remember to bend the cotter pins using needle nose pliers. Now take the U-Fe tube accessory and reinstall the 4 nuts on the toe plate assembly as shown in the video. Make sure they're tightened securely. Next, take the D-shaped handle and its 2 matching bolts, the thinnest ones, and install them as shown in the video. Pay attention to the angle of the D-shaped handle. The middle crossbar must be positioned the same way as in the video. Otherwise, it is installed backwards. Finally, take the remaining parts, insert them into the frame tube as shown in the video, and align the holes with the carriage bolts to install. Make sure the protrusion on the part faces toward the D-shaped handle.